Hello, this is Matrices and Determinants, Identity and Inverse Matrices, Example 2. And we're going to solve this matrix equation, and if A is a matrix, X is a matrix, and B is a matrix, we're going to figure out what matrix X is. And we're going to do this by finding the inverse of matrix A. So, it's like if 2x equaled 6. Well, we know x is equal to 3. But see, we really use the inverse of 2. The inverse of 2 is 1/2. So we multiply both sides times the inverse of 2. And in that way we get x equals 3. So the whole thing is going to revolve around getting the inverse matrix for A and then multiplying that inverse matrix times B. So this is the matrix equation that we have. This is the matrix A. This is the matrix we're trying to figure out, X, and this is the other side of the equation, which is also a 2x2 matrix. So we have to find the inverse of this matrix. Now the inverse, this is the inverse. If the inverse of a matrix A is equal to 1 over the determinant times this matrix. So we'll start out with the well, I guess the first thing is figure out the determinant of this matrix. And the determinant of a 2x2 matrix is AD take away CB. So that's going to be 4 minus, and 3 times 1 is 3. So so this determinant is equal to 1. Well, that really makes things easy, because see, the determinant of A is 1, so this matrix is just going to be multiplied by 1. So all we have to do is figure out this matrix. So if it's A, B, C, D, and that's 4, -1, -3, 1, the inverse of this matrix is just 1 there and a 4 here. I've just switched those, so AD became DA. These two keep their positions, but they change their sign, so that's 3, 1. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation times this. So this is going to be multiplied times 4, -3, -1, and 1. X equals, now you have to multiply from the left. So this is going to be 1, 3, 1, 4 times this matrix. 8, -6, -5, and 3. So if I figured out this inverse matrix correctly, then this times this is going to be the identity matrix. So let's do this multiplication and see what we end up with. This is going to be a 2x2 matrix. To get this upper hand corner, I do this times this. So that's 4 minus 3. To get up here, I've got to do this times this. And that's a -1 and a +1. And to get this entry down here, it's 3, 4 times 4 minus 3. So that's 12 minus 12. And to get this entry down here, it's 3, 4 times negative 1 plus 1. That's negative 3 plus 4. Times x equals, now this resulting matrix is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. To get this corner up here, it's 1, 1 times 8, negative 6, so that's going to be 8 minus 6. This one, it's going to be 1, 1 times negative 5 and a 3, so that's negative 5 plus 3. Now to get this down here, it's 3, 4 times 8 minus 6. That's 24. And negative 24. And to get this one down here, it's 3, 4 times negative 5, 3. So that's negative 15 and 12. So here you can see we got the identity matrix. That's 1, 0, and 0, 1 times x equals this, which is the matrix 2, negative 2, 0, and negative 3. Now, any matrix times the identity matrix is just the matrix, so that means my answer is right here. X is equal to the matrix 2, 0, well, 2, negative 2, 0, negative 3.